Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Billy.
I'm Sean.
We're free to roam. We have been wanting one of these little things for quite a while, so I'm excited to try out this product.
Yep.
Check out the video.
Free to roam, ooh, oh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our Alliance paradigm, we're free in our soul.
Also, you guys, this video was uploaded today via our Connect 10 internet.
Which, ironically enough, can also be powered by this unit.
Thank you, Connect 10. First, we're going to take you and Sean's going to unbox this little thing, and then we're going to show you some uses for it around our camp. So we hope you like it.
I have a kind of a cool surprise. The folks at AFERY, I don't know if you can read that on the box, but it's AFERY. They sent us their 400 watt portable power station. So I'm gonna do an unbox here real quick. Pretty simple. Man, that is like lunchbox size. And you've got solar connectors, standard solar connector plug that you can charge this thing with, or your standard, 110 wall outlet. So this thing is going to be so handy for lots of different things. I mean, you can power your Starlink if you're off grid with this guy. Let's see, you're going to have two 110 plugs here, your traditional cigarette lighter 12 volt plug over here. Looks like we're going to have the ability to do some USB charging. Let's turn this thing on. Should be 100%. So on the display, I don't know if you can see that on the display, it tells me the input wattage, the output wattage. Not super heavy. I mean, that's like carrying your lunch. 110 in. Also has a built-in light. I see this being super handy in our clam gear because, as you know, we like to use the card shuffler, but it's rechargeable. So how are you going to recharge your card shuffler? I can walk out there in the dark with the light. Oh, it flashes. This is just a simple USB-C, so I've got USB-C here, or your standard USB normal one there. So, wow, pretty cool. Nice little compact unit, and I'm anxious to test it out a few different ways.
Hey babe, what you up to?
Well, we're getting ready to move the rig, and where we're parked, I have some leaves that I'm afraid might have gotten on the top of the slides.
Yeah.
So I was gonna go up and leaf blow like I normally do and maybe push some of the water and leaves off, but the freaking battery's dead. It's another great use for this AFERY power station. I'm gonna go charge the battery up so I can take care of this chore. That's super handy for us because, as you can tell, it's kind of cloudy today and our solar isn't producing anything. When you're boondocking and you need power, you don't always want to draw off your battery to charge up another little device. So another great use of why this comes in super handy. Let me go get the charger, I'll get it plugged in.
As you can see, it's not just cloudy here in Texas. It is also a very heavy dew, so everything's a little wet. But it's pretty awesome that Sean can charge his batteries without having to draw off of our solar and our batteries while we're out here boondocking. So other than those kind of batteries, could I just plug my cell phone into it too if I needed to charge it?
Heck yeah.
Huh.
I mean, to me, I feel like this is a great way to organize a lot of our chargers, especially when we're out boondocking, because of all the versatility it has. You got USB-C, normal USB, and then 110 where you can plug in boxes or whatever. So we can have our GoPro batteries charging. We can have our drone batteries charging. I mean, just anything you can think of.
I love it. Okay, so dumb question here. How do you charge this bugger?
Okay, so this guy can very quickly, rapidly charge with an AC input. you know, your
Nice.
regular any 110 outlet. So if you're at an RV park or whatever, you can just plug right into pedestal, or you can plug it in from the wall inside your rig. The key is just to have it ready to go beforehand.
Okay.
But if you forget, it also comes with a hookup for solar panels. So you could take a deployable
Nice.
solar panel and charge this thing right up with its own solar panel. It does not come with a solar panel, but it has those standard plugs.
Okay.
Oop, wrong one.
So it shows 100% charge.
Yeah, I'm 100% charged right now. And I'm gonna turn the AC power on. Okay, so now my indicator came on. And I'm gonna get this battery charged up.
Nice.
So,
Okay.
shouldn't take long, and then I'll be
No.
able to finish this chore
Yeah.
thanks to the nice little AFERY. So thank you to AFERY, because we've been kicking around the idea of getting a portable power station just because they're so handy. Depending on cost, depending on how much you're going to use them, it's not a first day essential, but it sure is nice to have. And so we're very grateful that we got the opportunity to test this one out, and just wanted to say thank you and shout out to AFERY again. This one seems like it's going to fit the bill for us just perfect. It's a 400 watt in the size of a lunch pail.
Where can you purchase this at?
You can get it on Amazon, and I think we'll have a product link in the description of the video. Now, another idea I had to use this power station is, and it came to me in Quartzsite. We were camped and we were trying to get a really nice shot of star trails with a GoPro. Well, as most of you know, GoPro batteries have a limited amount of time that they're gonna, power the camera. But I want to set it up so that I'm plugged in to the power station, and that should allow me to catch the full night sky on a star trail. So look for that in a future video, because we're gonna set that up and try that out, and I'll follow up with you and let you know how that worked.
Free to roll, ooh, oh, can't you see the beauty of this land?